Hey guys, if you missed class today, I just wanted to go over with you what we did and what was review and what's new. So these are the notes from today. Some of you got them and some of you didn't. I've attached them here, or you can stop by my room and get them if you need to. Some vocabulary that I expect you to just be comfortable using is listed here. You can check the completed notes for this, but a lot of these should be review and things that you already know. And then we went over how to divide by a monomial. This is review from yesterday, so again, check the completed notes for how to do that. And then we reviewed long division, again, review from yesterday. So all of that is on the PDF attached, so you can check and make sure you know how to do that. Then on the back side of this is another way to divide. It's other than long division. So I'm going to walk you through the steps on this and make sure you know what's going on. It is easier than long division, so I hope you like it. The steps are a lot harder than actually doing it. So hopefully this all makes sense. So what we're going to do for long division, instead of long division, is synthetic. Synthetic division is basically just using the coefficients in our long division. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these coefficients, 1, 10, and 18, and we're going to write them down. Just like that. And then we're going to make a little box right here, and we are going to take the opposite of this number, so -5, we're going to put it in that box. This is the setup for synthetic division. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to drop this first number down, 1. Then we are going to multiply -5 times that number, and we're going to write our answer here. So -5 times 1 is -5. And then we add that column. We get 5. And then we're going to multiply that by -5 and put our answer here. So -5 times 5 is -25. And we're going to add that column. Okay? That's the process for synthetic division. These numbers down here in green, 1, 5, -7, that's your answer, kind of. We call that the depressed polynomial. So we started with an n cubed. Our answer is going to be depressed. It's going to be 1 degree less than what we started with. So we started with the n squared. Our answer is going to be n. So we have, this is the coefficient, so 1n plus 5. And this last thing is the remainder, so -7 over whatever we divided by. Okay, so this is our answer to that division problem, and it's what we call synthetic division. So hopefully you can see it's faster than long division. Let's do another one. Okay, we're going to take this first polynomial and write out our coefficients, 2, -11, 13, -44. And then in the box, we're going to put the opposite of that number, so 5. This is the setup. Drop that first number. Then multiply 5 times 2, which is 10, and add. Multiply, which is -5. Add, multiply, 5 times 8 is 40, and add. Okay, these are the coefficients of our answer. The last number, that -4, that's the remainder. So we started with degree 3, which means our depressed polynomial is going to be degree 2. So this is going to be 2x squared minus 1x plus 8. And then here's our remainder, -4 over whatever we divided by. There it is. All right, last one. Okay, we have x cubed minus 125 divided by x minus 5. So we're going to write our coefficients. Just like we do with long division, we need to put in zeros. So we have 1x cubed, we don't have any x squareds, we don't have any x's, and then -125. Okay, so make sure you're adding your zeros. Opposite of this number goes in the box. there's our setup. Now, I don't usually draw all of the dotted lines and the arrows. I was just doing that to show you where everything goes. Here's how I do synthetic division. Drop the 1. 5 times 1 is 5. Add. 5 times 5 is 25. Add. 5 times 25 is 125. Add. So that's what it looks like with all the little dots and arrows, because you don't need them. Okay, here's our answer. We started with degree 3, which means our answer is going to be degree 2. So we have 1x squared plus 5x plus 25. We have no remainder. So here is our final answer. So that is synthetic division. Hopefully you found that easier. If you still have questions, come see me during academic assist. Come see me in the morning, or I can answer questions in class, depending on the time. So yeah. Yay, synthetic division.